Now, another cool thing we can do on the bass guitar is utilize the open strings. So I have the E open string here, the A, the D, and the G. Now these are all notes that you can find in scales. So if I were to play the E major scale using the open E string, I can do so by maintaining the same sequence of whole and half steps. So I can just go that's the major scale. Similarly to or I can play the one string. These are all major scales. And since we have a fretboard with multiple frets, positions, we can basically play the major scale on any position we want. So if we want to play a major scale, let's say with using higher notes, higher bass notes, we can play it somewhere up here. We want to use lower notes, I can play here. If I want to go really low, I can use the open E string. And you basically have a bunch of different variations and positions that you can utilize when playing scales on a bass.